Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Dry Earache Board is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone suffering from the discomfort and pain associated with dry ear conditions, offering a unique and targeted approach to relief that traditional methods might not provide, making it a crucial addition to your personal care arsenal. Number 5. Scribbledo 6-pack Small Dry Erase Whiteboards 9x12. Get a complete set of 6 9x12 double-sided dry erase boards and 6 erasers, all in one package. They're perfect for classrooms, small groups, or individual student use. Enjoy a smooth writing experience with a surface that erases completely without ghosting. These boards are built to last through years of daily use, even with young students. Each board offers 2 writing surfaces, allowing you to switch between subjects or activities seamlessly. It's a reusable, paper-free solution that keeps up with any learning pace. Ideal for any learning environment, from K-12 classrooms to homeschool and tutoring. They're perfect for practicing letters, numbers, studying, or even brainstorming. With over 350,000 sets sold, you can trust the consistent quality and classroom-ready sizing. They arrive protected and ready for immediate use, making them a reliable choice for school supplies. What we like. This pack is designed for educational settings, offering a complete solution for classrooms and group activities. If you are a teacher or homeschool parent looking for a cost-effective way to equip multiple students, this is the ideal choice. It ensures everyone has their own board and eraser, ready for immediate use. What people say. The whiteboards have no scuffs or breaks and are just as described. The fact that they come with erasers, enough for each board to have one, is a bonus. These whiteboards are very sturdy and easy to clean. The boards are the perfect size for a small desk at school or my big kid's lap, just a bit larger than a typical sheet of paper. I am very impressed with the sturdiness and high quality of these boards. They are very slick, making them easy and fun to write on and easy to erase. I actually like that they don't have a plastic border, so you don't end up with all the marker gunk that typically ends up there. Number 4. GMAOPHY 16x12 in Magnetic Desktop Whiteboard. This double-sided dry erase board offers maximized writing space, allowing you to manage multiple projects simultaneously. It's perfect for teaching, home use, or leaving quick memos. Get a generous 16 by 12-inch writing surface with this set. It includes 10 magnetic markers, for magnets, and an eraser, making it a great value for any desk or counter. Easily move this magnetic whiteboard from room to room. Its portable design with a stand makes it ideal for travel, holidays, or simply changing its location as needed. Featuring a 360-degree adjustable viewing angle and a stable metal stand, this whiteboard can lay flat, hang on a wall, or stand on your desk without slipping. Enjoy a smooth and durable writing surface that's easy to wipe clean without leaving stains. Remember to peel off the protective film before your first use. This versatile whiteboard is perfect for the kitchen, dorm, office, or classroom. It's a great tool for learning, planning, and boosting creativity, making it an excellent gift for students and professionals alike. What we like. This option provides a generous writing area and comes with an impressive set of accessories, including multiple markers. If you need a versatile board for your desk, whether for work memos, study notes, or creative brainstorming, and appreciate having plenty of writing tools at hand, this is the one to consider. Its magnetic feature also adds extra utility. What people say. The 16-inch by 12-inch size is just right, large enough to be seen across the room, but compact enough to fit comfortably on a desk or shelf. The double-sided magnetic surface is smooth and erases cleanly, even after repeated use. It comes with 10 vibrant markers, for magnets, and a sturdy eraser, everything you need right out of the box. The stand is stable, and the board feels well made overall. This whiteboard is a fantastic addition to any workspace. It combines functionality, durability, and convenience in a sleek design. Number 3. TSJ Office 12x16 Mini Easel Whiteboard. This small whiteboard is designed to stand on its own, making it incredibly convenient. Its sturdy frame ensures durability, while its lightweight nature and top handle make it perfect for taking anywhere. Enjoy a smooth, durable writing surface that wipes clean effortlessly. It's designed to stay white and easy to read, ensuring a clear message every time. The aluminum alloy stand can be adjusted to various angles, allowing you to find the most comfortable viewing position. It stands securely, adapting to your specific needs. Everything you need is right in the box. This kit includes the presentation board, magnets, an eraser, and markers, so you can start using it right away. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to carry and use anywhere. It's ideal for learning, office work, school, or even just jotting down notes. This premium whiteboard makes a fantastic gift for anyone. It promotes better organization and learning without wasting paper, making it a thoughtful and practical present. What we like. This board offers a convenient and adjustable easel stand, making it perfect for various angles and needs. If you value portability and a complete set of accessories for immediate use, especially for drawing, presentations, or quick notes on the go, this is a great option. Its foldable nature makes it easy to store and transport. What people say. Both sides are writable, magnetic, and great quality. All brands of dry erase markers I've used have erased flawlessly. It is a self-standing, hang it two ways, versatile device that is portable. Take it to the office, boardroom, trips, or whatever the need may be. I love the fact that it's two-sided. I plop it on a wee Lazy Susan and spin it round as needed. It stores nicely and great for on the go. The thing is pretty strong and just the right thickness, about the size of a 1.5-inch binder but obviously a smidge taller. Number 2. Mr. Pen's Small Dry Erase Lapboard. Introducing the Mr. Pen Small Dry Erase Lapboard, a versatile tool for learning and creativity. It's perfect for students of all ages. This package includes 1 lapboard and 3 dry erase markers in black, blue, and red. Everything you need to get started right away. Our dual-sided board is built to last, yet it's lightweight for easy handling. It works seamlessly with most dry erase markers and pens. Its ideal size makes it perfect for students to use at their desks. It's designed to encourage active participation in the classroom. The dual-sided coating ensures it can be easily wiped clean. This allows for repeated use, making it an eco-friendly choice. Whether at home, in a dorm room, classroom, or office, this portable whiteboard is an excellent choice for various needs. What we like. This is a straightforward, lightweight option perfect for individual student use. If you're looking for a simple, portable whiteboard for a student to use at their desk for homework, practice, or classroom participation, this is an excellent choice. It's easy to handle and clean, encouraging frequent use. What people say. Good size, the markers work great, the fact that it's double-sided is another pro. And most importantly, the erasers do the job perfectly, which is a common issue with other boards. Markers write amazingly and the eraser is great. Simple but great product. It's really good for the price. It's the perfect size to help my children to learn. It's not too heavy. It's easy to clean, especially with how big the erasers are compared to others I have. It seems very durable and will buy more later on when I need them. Number 1. Mr. Pen 14x11 Magnetic Dry Erase Board. Meet the Mr. Pen Dry Erase Board, a versatile 14 by 11 inch essential. It comes complete with a black marker and magnetic eraser cap for your convenience. This board offers a premium magnetic writing surface that resists staining and ghosting. Its elegant gold aluminum frame adds a touch of style to any space. Embrace sustainability with this reusable writing surface. It's perfect for learning and daily tasks, allowing you to write, erase, and repeat without waste. The smooth surface is a joy to write on, and its magnetic feature allows you to easily attach notes and reminders. Constructed to be both robust and lightweight, it's ideal for use at home, in the classroom, or on the go. Easily hang it as an interactive bulletin board. This board is an excellent tool for homeschooling, online teaching, presentations, and managing your schedules or to-do lists. What we like. This board combines dry erase functionality with magnetic capabilities, offering more versatility. If you need a board that can be used for writing, displaying magnets, and can be easily mounted on a wall, fridge, or locker, this is a strong contender. It's ideal for keeping track of schedules, to-do lists, or as an interactive bulletin board. What people say. The board is designed with multiple layers to ensure effective drying and ventilation. It features a unique heating element that provides consistent and gentle warmth, promoting faster drying. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to store and transport. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.